Welcome to our channel. Wind dramatically affects ball flight and club selection. These techniques help you score well despite challenging conditions. Step 1. Accept that wind is part of golf. Fighting conditions mentally creates frustration. Embrace wind as part of the challenge and adjust your expectations accordingly. Step 2. Into the wind, take more club and swing easier. Smooth tempo with extra club produces lower, more penetrating ball flight than aggressive swings fighting the wind. Step 3. Downwind. Use less club and accept higher trajectories. The wind will carry the ball farther than normal. Trust the wind to work for you. Step 4. In crosswinds, aim at the edge of your target area and let the wind move the ball. Trying to hold shots straight into wind creates tension and poor swings. Step 5. Lower your ball flight by positioning the ball back slightly and keeping your hands ahead through impact. Lower trajectories are less affected by wind. Step 6. Widen your stance for better stability in strong wind. Extra width prevents swaying during your swing and promotes solid contact. Step 7. Adjust your expectations about scoring. Par is excellent in difficult wind conditions. Don't force aggressive shots when conditions demand conservative play. Step 8. Practice pre-round to gauge wind effect. Hit shots with various clubs to understand how much adjustment each club requires. Course conditions change throughout the day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.